Hello students, welcome back to the next session of online classes. I hope you are enjoying the classes, right? Yes? Okay. Shall we go into a lesson now? Okay. Today we'll see the second lesson in the science subject. Our second lesson is states of matter. What is our second lesson? States of matter. So in this lesson, we'll be able to know the matter surrounding us, differentiate between solids, liquids and gases, conduct simple experiments, observe the properties of matter, describe the nature of the material. Okay, the first one is know the matter surrounding us. So what is this matter now? What is matter? Matter is you, me, the table, the air, a glass, the water in the glass. We are all made from matter. Matter is made from particles. These particles have energy. Okay, now we'll see the definition of matter. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. Again we got a new word, mass. Now what is mass? Mass tells us how heavy or light an object is. Okay, whether the object is heavy or light, we can know by mass. Okay. Now we'll see states of matter. Okay, what I said, matter, anything we see and touch is made up of matter. Okay, and anything that occupies space and has mass, that is weight, is called matter. Anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. Matter can be a solid, liquid or a gas. Matter can be a solid, a liquid or a gas. Now we'll see what is solid. Okay, solid is the pencil we are using, the pens, the car, the wood, everything comes under solids. Okay, what are the properties of solids? We'll see now. Okay, solids, see the first property, solids keep their own shape. Anything you can take hold of is solid, means we can catch it with a hand, that is called solid. Solids cannot be easily compressed. Solids turn into a liquid when they melt. Melt means when they are heated, it will turn into a liquid. Few solids, okay, and then solids can be cut or break. Okay, we can cut or break solids. We'll see even more about the solids next. Okay, now next we'll see liquids. Liquids do not keep their shape. They doesn't have a proper shape. Will take the shape of the container, means if we pour any water in the glass, it will take the shape of the glass. If we pour into a bottle, the same bottle shape the water will be showing us, right? Okay, next we'll turn to gas when heated. When we heat that, water vapors will be coming up, so that is called gas. We'll turn to solid when cooled. I will explain you later what is this. Okay, molecules are loosely packed, so the liquid molecules will be loosely packed. I will tell you in detail later. Okay, now gases. Gases do not have a definite volume or shape. Gases cannot always be seen. We cannot see gases. I'll show you with examples now. Okay, See here, solid. Okay, the first thing we are seeing here is an ice cube, right? Ice cube is very, very strong and it is having a shape. Okay, it is having a shape, so it is very rigid, so it is called solid. Okay, ice cube is a solid. Now the second one, if you see a glass of water, so water is liquid, so it takes the shape of the container. Okay, and this liquid can flow but solids cannot flow. Okay, now gas. See the gas. When we are cooking rice or boiling water, what will happen? Few vapors will be coming up from the vessel, right? When we are boiling water, vapors will be coming up. So that is called gas. The vapors are called gas. So they do not have their own shape. They will be flowing freely, right? Up they will not have any shape. They'll be flowing freely up, right? So these are called gases. Okay, now see here I have given the examples for solids. Ice, brick, wood, iron, these all are solids. Okay, see, and then the second one, liquid. See there, liquids, petrol, vinegar, paint, water, okay, juice, everything comes under liquids. Now gases. Gases, you see the balloons. Inside the balloons will fill air, right? Helium gas. Okay, that air is called gas. Okay, then oxygen, it is also gas. Then carbon dioxide, it is also gas. Hydrogen, it is also gas. So these all are gases. Okay, now this is our book. Okay, textbook. So let's learn from the textbook what they are given in the textbook. Okay, see there, states and properties of matter. So matter exists as solids, liquids and gases. Okay, see the first thing, let us see the first one, solid. Oh, how the solid is? It is, see the 3 points for each one. I will give three points so that these 3 points will be very important and the questions will be coming from that 3 points. Very important for your higher classes also. So the first one, the first point in solid is, it is rigid. Okay, rigid means tough. Okay, then it has fixed shape. Okay, see the pencil, it is very tough, it has a fixed shape, right? We cannot we cannot flow it, or we cannot keep it, you cannot fly it. Okay, it is very strong and it has a fixed shape and it has fixed volume. Okay, then see the liquids, water. I think liquid, immediately you have to think about water. So water is not rigid, it is not at all tough, right? And it has no fixed shape, right? But it has a fixed volume. Whether if you are keeping inside a jar or a bottle, it will be inside that bottle, right? That's why it has no fixed shape. Shape will not be there, but the volume, fixed volume, it will have a fixed volume. Okay, the third one is gas. So gas, see the 3 points there, it is not rigid, not tough, right? No fixed shape, it will be flowing freely and no fixed volume also. Okay, we cannot catch the air, right? So these are the 3 properties of matter. Okay, now let us go in detail of these 3. Okay, see the first, solids, they have definite shape and volume. They have a definite shape and volume, and the particles in it are packed very tightly. Particles are packed very tightly, and it occupies a fixed space. Okay, it will be occupying a fixed space, so they cannot move freely because they are packed very tightly. They cannot move freely, but they can change their shape. Okay, they can change their shape when we break or cut them. If you have a big pencil, if you cut it, the shape of the pencil will change, right? If you sharp it, we can change the shape of that pencil. So only if we break or cut, the shape will be changed. So see the examples there: a box, apple, book, a flower, and the stone. So these all will be solids, okay, which will have a definite shape and volume, packed very tightly, and they cannot move freely. Okay, but the shape will be changed when we break or cut them. Okay, so okay, now let us see the liquids. Okay, so liquids also, they do not have a definite shape. As I said, they will never have a definite shape, but what they will do, they will occupy some space. Okay, that's why they have a definite volume. Okay, they occupy some space. How they will occupy? If you pour into a jug or a bottle or a glass, so they occupy some space inside that. If you pour water inside a jug or a glass or a bottle, they occupy the space, so they have a definite volume. Okay, they take the shape of the container and they'll have a definite volume. Okay, now because of the matter and liquid are loosely packed, liquids will flow freely. Very loosely packed, the molecules will be loosely packed. So what they will do, they can flow freely. If we keep water down, they'll flow freely. I mean, it will flow freely, right? The same way, the examples will be oil, okay, kerosene, petrol, milk, juice, water. All this comes under liquids. Okay, so if we keep water down or petrol down, they'll flow freely. Okay, now let's go to the next page, that is types of liquids. See the greasy liquid, if we touch the oil, it will be very greasy. Oil, right? Greasy it will be, so greasy liquid. Now if we touch the sanitizer, hand sanitizer, how it will be? It will be very sticky, right? That is called sticky liquid. And watery liquid is nothing but nothing, not greasy, not sticky, it will be plain. That is called watery liquid. And if we see honey, how it will be? It will be very thick, so that is called thick liquid. So greasy liquid, sticky liquid, watery liquid, and thick liquid, these are the types of liquids we see when we touch or feel, when we touch and feel, right? Okay, the next property is gases. So gases are very loosely packed, that's why they can move around freely in all directions. Very loosely packed, and they can move around in all directions. Okay, and they do not have a definite shape and do not occupy a definite space or volume, right? If we keep any gas inside a glass, will it occupy inside the glass? No, it will be in and around the glass also. That's why it doesn't have any definite shape and also any volume. Okay, so see here the examples are cloud, smoke, gas cylinder we use in our house, spray, water vapor, wind. These all are gases. Okay, when a perfume is sprayed, what will happen? That is also a gas. And an agarbatti is lighted, the fragrance spreads all around the room, right? When you light an agarbatti in the house in one corner, what the fragrance will do? It will spread all the other rooms also. So because the gas does not have any shape and does not occupy any volume, it will freely flow in all the directions. Okay, so you understood what is a solid, what is a liquid, and what is a gas. Okay, now I'll have a small test. Before I answer, you should answer this. Okay, see, the first thing is you have to say whether it is a solid or a liquid or a gas. Okay, see the first picture, that is a waterfall. So can you tell me whether it is a solid or liquid or gas? Before I answer, you have to tell me. This is like a test for you. Okay, yes, water, the water falls, right? That's why it is a liquid. Okay, the second picture is a chair. Chair is solid. Third one, air filled in balloon. What is that? Air filled in balloon, just now explained. It is gas. Cake. Cake is a solid again. Juice. Juice is also liquid. Now, jar with pebbles. Pebbles means stones. It is solid. Ice cubes. Ice cubes also solid. Steam from soup in bowl. Steam. Steam means the vapor, water vapor coming up from a bowl, hot bowl. That is gas. Now, pencil, solid. Chocolates. Chocolates also solid. Now, bucket filled with water. See, water. But they asked bucket, not the water, right? So, bucket is solid. Only the water is liquid, not the bucket. Okay. Now, water in a glass. Water in a glass. Glass is solid, but water in a glass. So, it is liquid. Okay. Then milk. Milk is liquid. Bricks. Bricks is solid. Biscuits. Again solid. Now the last one, fire. What is fire? Fire is solid, liquid or gas? Fire is also a gas. Okay. It also a gas. Okay. Okay, I hope you understood the properties of matter, right? So water is the only thing which will change from solid to liquid, liquid to gas. Okay, ice cubes are solid, water is liquid, water vapor is gas. So all the three states of matter will be seen only in water. Okay, okay. Now the assignment for today is you have to see here and copy down here all these properties. Okay, whether it is solid, what it is having, fixed shape, no fixed volume, or else no fixed shape, flow all sides, fixed volume, rigid. So these all things you copy down. Okay, and send to through WhatsApp. Okay, thank you students.